So are you ready to explore a campus that blends innovation, creativity and a vibrant student life? This is Rishihood University. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I know most of you guys are class 12 students waiting on your CUET results. You all are so confused, kaun sa college choose kare, kaun sa course kare. And I know choosing the right university is extremely important. And that's why it's also important to know all your excellent options available. And that's why today I'm here at the Rishihood University.
I'm super excited to take you on a tour of Rishihood University. Let's get started.
Rishihood University, located in Sonipat, Haryana, is India's first and only impact university dedicated to creating leaders to drive positive change. With lush green spaces and a modern architecture, it's the perfect blend of nature and innovation.
The university is designed to foster an environment of creativity and collaboration. You'll find state-of-the-art facilities for research and innovation.
Now, some of you may be concerned about the fees, that yes, it is high, but they also offer you world-class facilities, and the best part is that they offer 100% scholarship as well. So this is an opportunity you can't miss. At Rishihood University, you're going to have a dynamic campus life. There's something always happening on campus, whether it's cultural events, startup events, sports tournaments, and so much more. You're going to grow both professionally and personally. This university offers a wide variety of courses ranging from BBA, design, psychology, and even so many more like BTech and CS and AI.
They also have a business analytics program in partnership with KPMG, which equips students to excel in the business world. But not only that, the Makers undergrad program at Rishihood University is not just any BBA program, it's a gateway to innovation and entrepreneurship. Imagine learning with the startup spirit of Silicon Valley right here in India. This program immerses you in the culture of hustle and innovation inspired by top startup CEOs and CXOs. You will gain practical skills in stock markets, business news, communication, and cutting-edge technologies like AI.
This is one of the classrooms here at Rishihood, and these are designed to be interactive and tech-friendly so that you have a great learning environment.
From the first semester itself, you'll open a DMAT account with an initial balance of 10,000 to start investing and understanding the stock market. Plus, you get a 1 lakh master's deposit, which will be your seed money to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey.
So this is the mini auditorium. Come, let's take a look. Quite impressive, right? So this is the spot where students can learn, interact with the industry experts and gain some really good insights. They have all their coaching and mentoring sessions here, and they have experts from companies like McKinsey, BCG, Amazon, so many more. So once you get admission and you begin your journey of 4 years at this university, there's also a 0 semester that takes place. This is before the program starts, and in this you can work with industry experts, get hands-on experience while working on real-life projects, and develop various skills that you will need as a college student, like CV building, maintaining a good LinkedIn profile, and so much more.
Also, every student receives a complimentary MacBook, ensuring they have the best tools for their academic and creative endeavors.
Now this is one of the coolest spots on campus. This is their human augmentation lab, which is basically a virtual reality lab. And if you're into innovation, tech, and love all those types of things, you're going to love experimenting and learning over here. Let me give you a quick demo of how this area works.
It's a peek into the future with cutting-edge technology and tools to bring your ideas to life. Oh, by the way, the BBA program also offers a minor in computer science and AI, which clearly is the most in-demand skill and the need of the hour. And here's another exciting perk. Rishihood University takes its students on global study treks to some of the world's most dynamic cities like London, Singapore, and Silicon Valley. These treks provide invaluable international exposure, allowing students to learn from global business leaders and experience different cultures.
One of the most important aspects of university life are the hostels. Rishihood University, being a residential campus, offers some amazing hostels. Let's check out their room. Looks quite comfortable and the hostels are also safe.
The hostel rooms are well furnished, so safety, comfort, and a homely environment make the hostels here stand out.
Now comes my favorite part and even the sports enthusiast favorite part, the Learners Arena. Let's check it out.
This place has it all: a pool for those refreshing swims, badminton and squash courts for some intense matches, and a fully equipped gym to keep you fit.
So at Rishihood, you're not just building mental muscles but also physical muscles. Just look at the gym, it's quite big. They have all the equipment that you will need.
But that's not all. There's a game room with a pool table, table tennis, carom and chess where you can unwind and have some fun with your friends. Plus, they have outdoor tennis and basketball courts. It's all about balancing studies and leisure at Rishihood. The Learners Arena truly enhances the holistic development of students.
So this is one of the design labs and everything you see here is made by the students. So if you're interested in fashion designing, product designing or even modeling, they have all the equipment that you need. This place is perfect to bring your creative ideas to life.
Equipped with the latest software and tools, these labs are a haven for creativity and innovation.
So this is the library, which is massive. It's not only a place where you study but also dive deep into knowledge. There are plenty of spots to sit at where you can have focused study sessions or even group discussions for collaborative learning. So this is the auditorium, which is massive with a seating capacity of 400 students. This is where all the major events, guest lectures and even cultural fests happen.
And here's the canteen, the heart of every student's social life. It's spacious, has a variety of food options and is the perfect spot to hang out with friends between classes.
So I'm here with Mr. Vasudev, who is the Executive Director of the School of Entrepreneurship, and let's hear from him about Rishihood University. So many universities now offer the BBA course. So what's so special about doing it here at Rishihood?
Well, there are actually a whole bunch of reasons. Sonipat is an absolutely cool town. Those are nice to know, but the real thing is the way we've developed the curriculum. The curriculum, if you ask me, is revolutionary. And I always like to say it's a living curriculum. If you come to me a year from now, you'll probably find it slightly changed because we want it to be as reflective of the outside world, of what it takes to be successful as an entrepreneur in the real world. Also, we are surrounded by an incredible ecosystem of well-wishers, of industry leaders, of investors, brilliant boys and girls in the School of Entrepreneurship. I want them to fail. What do I mean by that? I mean, in these 4 years, we want them to develop the ability to fail, bounce back. And this is a laboratory where we want to actually encourage the spirit of checking things out, trying something new, understanding what it takes to fail.
That's incredible to know, and that sounds so unique for the students as well. Okay, so I also got to know that the students will get a 10K opening balance for investing in stocks. I mean, that sounds fun, but will they actually be taught how to invest and actually earn money from it?
Yes, exactly. That's why we have collaboration with a couple of investing firms to mentor them during this process. They have to learn the business of money. They have to be surrounded with the vocabulary of the investment market as soon as possible.
This is the need of the hour, to be investing in stocks and investing early on.
It doesn't stop there. We will also give them a fixed deposit of 1 lakh. So at the end of the third year, that 1 lakh is going to be your seed capital to start whatever it is that you're trying to do.
I think budding entrepreneurs, this is the place to be for you. A lot of people were saying if you do the BBA over here, you probably don't have to do an MBA. Is that true? What are your thoughts on that?
It is to some extent true. It all depends on what you want to do with your career. That's our philosophy. If you have an entrepreneurial mindset, sooner you start the better. The MBA has its own place, but it may not necessarily be necessary for a person who wants to be an entrepreneur.
I think having the right skills and knowledge is what is more important.
I think so. Our attitude.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much. It was
Most welcome.
lovely talking to you
Same
and
here, same
also gaining some insights on Rishihood University and what they're offering here.
The leaders here are not just educators but multi-talented visionaries inspiring creativity and excellence.
And I'm sure you must be wondering how can we make it to this university. So let me quickly tell you the 3-step simple application process. Firstly, you have to fill an online application form. After that, you have to give their simple aptitude test. But if you've already given the recognized exams like SAT, CUET, JEE, then you can also submit your scores for that. After that, you will be having a personal interview, and that's it. You can make it to Rishi Hood University. Well, that's a wrap on our tour of Rishi Hood University. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you're looking where to pursue your undergraduate studies, then this place has a lot to offer. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. So all the very best for your future, guys, and I'm going to end this video right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.